Watch till the end, because the last product might just save your life. Drop a comment below and tell me, which one are you buying first? Let's go. Tired of fumbling for your keys? Meet the RAYKUBE M5, the smart lock that makes your door as smart as your phone. Unlock with your fingerprint, password, IC card, a key, or straight from your phone using the Tuya or Smart Life app. 5 ways in, 0 hassle, built from premium aluminum and zinc alloy. It fits doors from 28 to 50 millimeters thick. Steel, wood, brass, stainless steel. Stores up to 50 fingerprints and features a USB-C emergency port, so you're never locked out. Starting at just $36.20, this is smart home security that doesn't break the bank. Grab yours today, link in the description. Who's at your door? Now you'll always know, introducing the Awapow digital peephole doorbell camera. Featuring a 3.5-inch LCD screen with 2 megapixel HD clarity and a 120-degree wide-angle lens, see everything outside your door without even touching it. Crystal clear. Day or night, it's wireless, easy to install, and monitors your entrance 24 hours a day. Smart energy-saving alerts notify you the moment someone's at your door. No wiring, no drilling, no stress. Starting at just $34.25, affordable home security that fits right on your existing peephole. Your front door just got smarter. Link in the description. No wires, no power bills, no blind spots. Meet the ultimate outdoor security camera, powered entirely by the sun. With dual lenses, 3 screens and 10x optical zoom, plus 360-degree auto-tracking that locks onto any human target instantly. Nothing moves without you knowing. Day or night in full color, down to near zero light. It's solar-powered with a massive 8,000 mAh backup battery, 128 GB internal storage, PIR and radar dual detection, built-in mic and 3W speaker, and it's IP66 weatherproof for any condition, any season. 4 variants starting at just $55.65. Professional-grade security at a fraction of the cost. Protect what matters. Link in the description. What if you knew the second someone entered your home before anything happened? Meet the Staniot PR motion detector. With a 110-degree wide detection range and a 100-meter transmission distance, it catches every intrusion instantly, triggering a loud alarm and sending a real-time alert straight to your phone. It's completely wireless, runs on just 2 AAA batteries, and even has a smart low-voltage warning so it's always ready. Got pets? No problem. Pet-friendly design won't trigger false alarms for animals under 15 kilograms. And all of this starting at just $6.72. Serious home security doesn't have to cost serious money. Your home deserves better protection. Link in the description. Every door, every window, every moment. Meet the Tuya smart door and window sensor, tiny device, total peace of mind. The instant a door or window opens, you get a real-time alert on your phone. Works with Alexa, Google Home, and Tuya, so you can monitor and control everything with just your voice. Fully wireless with dual Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. No drilling, no wiring, just peel and stick. Done in minutes on any door, window, cabinet, or drawer. And with an incredible 2-year battery standby, you'll barely think about it, until it saves you. 3 variants starting at just $4.57, the smartest small investment for your home security. Secure every entry point today. Link in the description. Smoke, heat, humidity. 3 threats, 1 smart device. Introducing the Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Smoke Detector, your home's first line of defense. The moment danger is detected, a piercing 80 decibel alarm sounds, lights flash visually, and an instant alert hits your phone, whether you're in the next room or across the world. It even warns you when temperature hits 60 degrees Celsius. Works seamlessly with Alexa, Google Home, and the Smart Life app. Monitor smoke, temperature, and humidity all in one place, day and night. Low battery? It reminds you at 20% so you're never caught off guard. 5 variants starting at just $13.21 because protecting your family should never be complicated or expensive. Don't wait for disaster. Link in the description. Carbon monoxide, you can't see it, you can't smell it, but it can kill. Meet the Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Co-Detector, silent threat, loud protection. With an 85 decibel alarm and a live LCD display showing exact CO levels in ppm, you'll know the danger before it's too late. And through the Tuya or Alexa app, monitor concentration levels in real time, from anywhere in the world. It runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with dual Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection, easy wall mounting, and an automatic low battery reminder, so your protection never goes offline. Simple, reliable, always watching, starting at just $12.95, a price that's nothing compared to the safety of everyone inside your home. Don't risk it, link in the description. A gas leak can happen in seconds and destroy everything in minutes. Meet the Tuya Smart Natural Gas Detector, because your kitchen deserves more than luck. The moment it detects a dangerous LPG or natural gas leak, a loud instant alarm triggers and a real-time alert hits your phone. Through the Tuya app, anywhere, anytime. No guessing, no delays. Just immediate protection. RoHS certified for safety and quality. Dual Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connected, and incredibly easy to install. Just plug into any standard outlet from 85 to 250 volts, fire security protection and gas detection, both in one compact device. 3 variants starting at just $11.91, the cheapest insurance your home will ever have. Don't leave your family unprotected, link in the description. Most smoke detectors only detect smoke. But what about heat? What about humidity? Meet the Tuya Smart 3-in-1 detector, protection that goes further. It monitors smoke, temperature, and humidity simultaneously, and the moment danger is detected, you get a flashing alarm, push notification, SMS, and even a phone call. Not one alert, all of them, so you never miss a thing. Works with Alexa, Google Home, Smart Life, and the Tuya app, full smart home integration over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Low battery? It reminds you automatically so your safety net stays strong around the clock. Starting at just $13.21. Triple the protection without tripling the price. One device. 3 layers of safety, link in the description. A silent water leak can cause thousands in damage before you even notice it. Meet the EWeLink Zigbee water leak detector, catch it before it costs you. The instant water is detected, even at just 1 centimeter depth. An immediate alarm signal fires, and an alert hits your phone in real time. Kitchen, bathroom, basement, place it anywhere, no cables, no installation hassle, supports Home Assistant and your smart home ecosystem with a 30 to 50 meter wireless range and an incredible 1-year battery life on a single CR2032 included in the box. Low battery, it tells you automatically. Starting at just $8.48. Tiny price, massive protection against water damage. Don't wait for a flood. Link in the description. Control your water flow with the flip of a switch from anywhere. Meet the brass motorized electric bull valve, built for pros, priced for everyone. Available in sizes from 1/2 inch to 2 inch, with AC or DC power options, 12 volts, 24 volts, 110 volts, or 220 volts. This valve fits almost any system. Opens and closes in just 15 seconds, handles up to 1.6 megapascals of pressure, and works with both hot and cold water. Choose normally open or normally closed mode depending on your setup. Built with a brass body, plastic ceiling, and an automatic power off reset, so even during a power cut, your system stays safe and controlled. Starting at just $31.92. Industrial grade reliability without the industrial price tag. Upgrade your water control today. Link in the description. 1 outlet, 9 ways to power your world. Meet the 9-in-1 smart power strip, the last extension cord you'll ever need. 6 AC outlets, 1 USB-C, and 2 USB-A ports, all in one sleek unit. A 5-foot braided cable, 45-degree flat plug, and a 3-sided design means it fits perfectly on any desk, behind any furniture, in any room. Worried about power surges? Don't be. With 900 joules of surge protection and a master on-off switch, your devices stay safe 24/7. Mount it on the wall or use it on your desktop. Setup takes seconds with the built-in mounting holes. Starting at just $13.25, power, protection, and flexibility all in one affordable package. Plug smarter, not harder. Link in the description. What if your wall outlet was as smart as your phone? Meet the BSEED Zigbee Smart Plug. The upgrade your walls have been waiting for. With 16 amps of power, real-time energy monitoring, and remote control from anywhere, you're always in charge. Works seamlessly with Google Home, Alexa, IFTTT, Tuya, and Smart Life. Voice control, app control, timer scheduling, all included. Handles 100 to 240 volts, works in temperatures from -30 to +70 degrees Celsius, and carries CE, RoHS, and multiple safety certifications. A sleek backlit design shows status at a glance. Blue means on, soft blue means off. 8 variants starting at just $10.43, smart home power monitoring at an unbeatable price. Take control of every outlet, link in the description. One system. Total home protection. Meet the Staniot Wi-Fi 4G smart security system, the complete alarm solution your home has been missing. A stunning 4.3-inch touchscreen, 105 decibel built-in siren, door and window sensors, password keyboard, all working together instantly, supports up to 200 accessories, alerts 5 emergency phone numbers, and connects via Wi-Fi and 4G so it works even when your internet goes down, works with Alexa and Google Assistant, has a built-in 1500 mAh backup battery, supports 10 languages, and receives automatic OTA updates to stay current. Ultra slim 12mm body looks premium on any wall with multiple mounting options. 8 variants starting at just $57.32, a complete professional security system at a fraction of the cost. Your home deserves a real system, link in the description. In an emergency, every second counts. Meet the Wi-Fi SOS Smart Panic button, one press, instant help, total peace of mind. The moment it's pressed, an immediate alert fires to your phone through the Tuya or Smart Life app with a full history log of every alert. Perfect for elderly parents, young kids, or anyone at home alone. Simple enough for anyone to use, just one button, completely wireless and rechargeable via USB-C in just 1 hour with an incredible 1-year standby battery life. Supports family sharing, so everyone stays notified. Low battery, it reminds you automatically, always ready when you need it most. Starting at just $8.15 and available in packs of 1, 2, 3, or 4 for whole home coverage. One press could save a life, link in the description. Alright, those were all 15 smart home gadgets worth every penny. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which one are you buying first? Number 1 all the way to 15. Let me know. And if this video helped you, share it with someone whose home needs an upgrade. All links are in the description. See you in the next one.